Watch out guys, it's a reverse introduction. I have just successfully lapped the VFR 800 on the Nordschleife. Look at her, look at that beautiful thing. Knee down, pike down, knee down. We've done it on the road tech Z8s. I don't know how many years old they are, but they're pretty old. We've destroyed the chicken strips, but not quite. And overall, the bike hung together, even if she has got a rather blue rear brake disc now. So if you want to find out what happened, then watch this lap. Oh, it is busy tonight. This is night 3 of the Nürburgring season. I'll tell you what, I'm just going to go check my rear tyre pressure. I think I've got a couple of minutes. I just want to knock half a bar out of this rear because I put 2.8 in it the other day. We're not going crazy. We're not doing track pressures. But we're not doing road pressures either. That should be fine. 2.2. If this was a track tyre, I'd be down at like 1.4. But number one, it's not a track day today. It's Touristenfahrten. Number 2, it's not a track tyre. Oh. Oh dear. Just damaged my microphone. It's mounting. But we've only got a few minutes. Okay. Right, all the way over. Yes. Alrighty, well, hopefully that rear microphone holds on. I just broke the tiny plastic teeth that keep it in. Oh, looks like track's open, but the ticket machine's maybe not working. Amazing. Okay. Visor down, helmet completely closed up, no vents open. Water temperature's a little bit high after all that car park shenanigans. Okay, so cold touring tyres, Dale. Well, let's see what happens. That's second gear. Welcome to the Nurburgring, little VFR. This will be your first ever lap of the Nordschleife. Well, even though it's got 24-year-old brakes and what feel like 24-year-old tyres as well, you can still tell it's got the blood of an RC45 coursing through it somewhere. Oh, those shaky brake discs, they're not great. I'm hoping they get better, you know. Nothing warms up tyres as good as widening them hard. Obviously, there's a catch to that. But don't worry, we've not even started to touch the chicken strips yet. The GT3 RS taxi's catching me up pretty quick. Gonna wave him through. Okay. Now we can use some motorcycle stuff. Oh, look at that. That's a nice screen. I'm happy with my screen. Really happy. I don't know what you can see on the video there, but I can feel that rear rebound damping just all over the shop. Oh, it's a lovely street. Yeah, I was 240k on its first lap. The old combined braking system, you don't half feel it. It really grabs onto that back tyre. Down one too low for that. It'll take me a few laps to get my gears right. But don't forget, this is the restricted version. This is only 98 horsepower. Other countries, other years, were 107. Knee down, peg down, knee down. Mental though, let's have to take side 65 one line. Oh, heck. There are some cars catching me. They're quite a way back. Oh, I don't like trail braking on the CBS's. There's the right peg there. The Alpine A110 going quite fast. Oh, that peg. Let's point in by, nice and easy. No lap times. Here for fun times. Just leave this in third and see what the torque does, eh? Lovely. Listen to that V4. What a great noise. Couldn't really make it all the way back over there. We keep going down too many gears. GT3 RS catching me. Pointing by nice and early. This is a nasty corner on the bike now, the surface is knackered. Right. Now, my E34 was a bit quicker than me and I was managing my traffic, but now he's in a big old heading up of a car, heading up a big steep hill. Yeah, VFR is also relatively heavy, I have to say, probably about 220 kilos right now. Good 98 horsepower motor. Onboard, it's still got a battery pack. Oh, it's let me through. Interesting, let's see what happens. Wow. I have to say, hey, this is a 24-year-old bike, this is awesome. Oh, come on, those pegs, eh? Oh, the carousel. My suspension is not going like that. It might be comfy. Oh, it's all over. Knee down there, knee down. There we go. The Megane has overtook the E34. They'll be coming for me next. Top of the hill. What a lovely noise. great little bike, eh? You gotta love it. Okay, that Megan's pretty close. Is he close enough? Yeah, he is. So we're going to let him through on the right hander, look. Because then I can do this. He's on the outside. And that way, can't really mess it up and hit me. Unless he lifts off oversteers, like all Megans do. Off we go. Come on, you Metzler Road Techs. You can do it. The ring taxi we overtook at the start. He was obviously just lowering his tyres. This can catch him up again. I see him, I think. That peg. I'm sorry, Mike. I'm sorry. These pegs were absolutely virgin, by the way. I did check them when I bought the bike. Oh, little wheelie. Nice ground. Right on the vanishing point. We're not full throttle. Now lovely. I just saw a change of colour there, I didn't expect. But I don't think it was anything to worry about. It's been industry pool today, so there's a lot of shit rubber on the track. Oh! Rear suspension just about coping. Wow. Should we go fast? We'll line her up. Oh, look at it go! Look at it go! Ah, go back off there. Boom! Good little bike, eh? That's a good sports tourer. I mean, it could definitely tour, and boy, it can do sports. If that's not sports, I don't know what is. Ta-da! Well, we still didn't get rid of the chicken strips, did we? There's still a chicken strip on both sides. Oh, these poor pegs. Well, I don't know, maybe some adjustable rear sets. They can make a nice touring position and a nice sports bike position. That's something to consider. Because the chassis can take a lot more. I mean, look. These are the Road Techs. Yeah, Road Tech Z8s. Metzler Road Tech Z8s. If we put like proper suspension on this and proper tyres, it's going to be a completely different bike. A little bit concerned about the bluing on that rear brake disc. Of course, it's using the rear brake disc so much, you can really feel it. I think that's going to hill itself eventually on the racetrack. Yee. Okay. From a riding point of view, the combined braking system is not fantastic on the track. It's too rear bias. It's putting a lot of rear brake down, and I could see that now in the bluing of that rear disc. But the rest of it's pretty good. She's not over 30,000 yet. But apparently I did zero the battery at some point 14 minutes ago. That must have been when I was struggling to start it. Oh well. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Smash the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, all that jazz. And I will see you on the next video. Nice.